A strong credit score opens doors, whether you're applying for a loan, renting an apartment, or even securing a job. But building credit doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Kikoff is a smart, affordable solution designed to help you boost your credit effortlessly. By reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus, Kikoff ensures your responsible financial habits are recognized, helping you build a solid credit history over time. Unlike traditional credit cards that may require good credit upfront, Kikoff is accessible to everyone, even those with no credit or poor credit. With budget-friendly monthly plans and no hidden fees, it's a stress-free way to improve your score. Simply sign up, make small purchases, and pay on time. Kikoff handles the rest, reporting your progress to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Ready to take control of your credit? Visit AI coupon code for exclusive discounts and deals on Kikoff and other financial tools. Start building a brighter financial future today. Check the link in the description to learn more.